Imagine a ceiling fan spinning overhead while a child sleeps below. Suddenly, the child is hungry, but the only peanut available is empty. An uncle travels to the city of Kota, returns with a singing parrot, and the sequence ends. Viewed through an adult lens, this is total nonsense. There is no logical bridge connecting a sleeping child, a hollow nut, and a bird from Rajasthan. It feels less like a story and more like a series of unrelated hallucinations. Yet this data shows that these specific Hindi rhymes occupy a massive footprint on YouTube. These videos regularly reach billions of views, often outperforming the biggest global news events and pop stars. It's easy to assume this scale is an accident, that toddlers are simply mesmerized by any combination of bright colors and loud random sounds. But the structure of these rhymes suggests something more specific is happening. The patterns within the lyrics appear to mirror specific developmental milestones in how a child's brain begins to process information. Consider the song Ek Mota Hathi, or One Fat Elephant. It begins with a single elephant walking through the rain. He encounters a problem, getting stuck, and calls out to a friend. The song uses a repeating loop. An elephant faces a crisis, calls out, and adds one more elephant. The cycle repeats up to 5. As the math progresses, the imagery becomes increasingly ridiculous. Elephants balancing on bicycles, keeping the child engaged while addition continues. This compounding sequence builds tension. The weight of the group increases until the 5th elephant is finally added, and they all become trapped in a monkey's net, bringing the numerical growth to a climax. This is a classic example of active pedagogy. The child isn't just listening, they participate in a forward-moving sequence of problem-solving and crisis resolution. The song provides a reliable framework for understanding linear progression and teamwork through cause and effect. The second half of the text, Upar Pankha Chelta Hai, works differently. We move away from the active, outdoor world of elephants and back to a child sleeping quietly under a fan. Here, the logic of the elephant song disappears. There is no math, no teamwork, and no central problem to be solved by the characters. This relies on associative chaining. The song moves from hunger to a peanut, uncle, city, and bird. Without causal arrows, the glue is sound. The lyrics pair Dana Nahi, no grain, with Mama Nahi, no uncle, and Kota with Tota, parrot, creating connection where logic is absent. This serves a specific purpose for a child's development. By removing the need to solve a problem or follow a plot, the rhyme helps the brain disengage from active thinking. Through rhythmic, associative chaining, the song transitions a child from an active to a resting state. When we look at these side by side, we see two distinct categories of media. One acts as a stimulant, focused on math and causality. The other acts as a sedative, focused on rhyme and rest. Channels like Ladoo Kids find success by alternating between these two modes. They provide a sequence that helps caregivers manage the natural shifts in a toddler's energy levels. This suggests that logical storytelling isn't the only way to provide value. For a developing mind, the rhythm of the information can be just as important as the content itself. So when a story about a peanut and a parrot from Kota begins, it isn't just a collection of random words. It's an early encounter with the specific linguistic patterns that help a human brain move between the world of action and the world of sleep.